Hi everyone. Today we discuss the third case of a concave mirror. In the fourth case of a concave mirror, in the first three cases we found that the concave mirror can give different types of images in different situations. And here in the fourth case, we are going to keep an object in between the center of curvature and the focus of the mirror, C and F of the mirror, and we are going to find what will be the position of the image, what will be the size, and what will be the nature of the image formed. Okay, with the help of a ray diagram we are going to find all the details about the image formation. So here in the diagram, a concave mirror is ready with an aperture mm dash, reflecting surface, and P is the pole, then focus F, C center of curvature, and XY is the principal axis of the particular concave mirror. And here AB is the object placed at the in between C and F. So here you can see the top of the object A and bottom of the object B that has been placed in between C and F of this mirror. So usually we do, or we consider, two incident rays coming from the object, and we find the point of intersection of the reflected rays from these incident rays, and we mark that point as A dash, and to get the complete image or full image we draw a perpendicular from the point A dash to the principal axis. So that is what we really usually do to get an image from the mirror. So same way we are going to consider two incident rays. One is parallel to the principal axis, and the other incident ray that is passing through the center of curvature of the mirror. So listen, this is the ray that is parallel to the principal axis. This is the direction of the incident ray that strikes the mirror at a particular point O, and this is the ray after reflection. This is the reflected ray from the first incident ray. Okay, so I can name this as N. ON is the AO is the first incident ray, and ON is the reflected ray of that incident ray. And next I am going to consider the ray which is passing through the center of curvature of the mirror, passing through the center of curvature of the mirror. So this is the ray that is passing through C, This is the ray which passing through the center of curvature of the mirror. So this is the ray. This is the ray which passes through the center of curvature of the mirror, and this is the direction of the mirror, direction of the incident ray that strikes the mirror at another point O dash. And what will happen to this ray? If a ray is, according to the rule number 3, if a ray passes through the center of curvature, that ray traces back along the same path in opposite direction after reflection, or that ray gets reflected along the same path in opposite direction. So this is the incident ray, C O dash is the incident ray, and the reflected ray is also along the same path in opposite direction, and this is the ray after reflection. Clear? And these two reflected rays will meet at this point. Here this is the point A dash, and to get the complete image I want to draw a perpendicular from this point to the principal axis, and I want to mark this point as A dash, B dash, and this is the top of the image A dash, B dash. A dash is down but B is on the top, so this is an inverted image. Okay, and this is the size of the image placed, and this is the size of the object, this is the size of the image obtained. So what is the position? Can you say what is the position of the image formed, what is the size of the image formed, and what about the nature of the image formed in this particular case? Clear? So with this the image is formed. So you can see the image of the object AB placed between C and F. Here we got the image as A dash, B dash, and the image is formed beyond C. Object is in between C and F, and image is formed beyond C. You can see from the ray diagram it is clear that the image formed is beyond C, and it is larger or enlarged image, or larger than the object. This is the object size, but this is the image size. So this is really greater than the object AB, and it is inverted, real. Really the reflected rays are meeting at a point down to the principal axis A dash. So this is the size, this is real and inverted, and this is beyond C. So let me write the position beyond C, that is the position of the image beyond C, and size is enlarged or larger than the object, and nature real and it is inverted. This is the position, size and nature of the image formed. So from this ray diagram, we found that if an object is placed between center of curvature and focus of the mirror, the concave mirror will give you an image beyond C, and it is enlarged or larger than the object, and it is always real and inverted. Okay, so that is all about this case. Okay.